Good morning. It is 8:30. My first client of the day, requested to come in an hour early today because she has to catch a flight. So I ran here. I'm very sweaty. Left myself enough time, sort of, and then I missed the time by 15 minutes that I was supposed to leave. So I was hustling. But yeah, so she'll be here in about 25 minutes. I have to get ready. But I have 3 clients in total today. And then a busy-ish week. Kind of. Yeah, I guess so. Anyways, I should probably get going rather than just sitting here. But I feel like I need to catch my breath. Oh my god, so my final client of the day, she's supposed to be here for 5:30. She texted me just after 5 and said she just got caught in the pouring rain, which it started all of a sudden torrential downpour and thunder and lightning. And she sent me a photo and she literally looked like she'd just come out of the pool. And she's like, "Are you okay? I feel so bad if I come in soaking wet." I was like, no, that's fine. And she's like, "Or do you want me to reschedule?" And I was like, "These are the times and days I can reschedule you for. We can do it no charge," because she was literally like there was rain dripping off her nose. Like she was soaked. I was like, "If you want to reschedule, if that's more comfortable for you, we can do this Friday at 7 p.m. She's like, "If you don't mind, I'm so uncomfortable." I was like, "No, not at all." So I'm done. So I've been chilling here at my studio for the last hour or so, waiting for this next appointment, just playing video games, which is lovely. But no, I'm done. I can go home now, which is nice. And I'm all set up for tomorrow's appointment, which tomorrow's appointment is at noon and it's a mystery mani, so that's fun. I'm also really pleased with myself. I brought an umbrella today. Good thinking. Hello. I just arrived. It's 11:15. I don't start till noon, and just getting out my regular glasses. I didn't start work till 11, so we had a chill morning. We walked an hour, going to the park, sat at the park for a bit. I drew up the set that I'm gonna do for my mystery mini this morning, and then I walked here, which is really nice. So I've done a lot of walking already today. My first set is a mystery mini. I'm gonna do some airbrushing as well as some pencil crayons, which is very cute. And then I have one other appointment today for my osteopath. She's coming in later, so I'm gonna have a bit of a break in the day, I think. But I really want to have any of you read, the book is called The Artist's Way, I believe. And I saw Janine Burrito posting about doing morning pages, and she said that's where she learned all about that. So, and I really want to do morning pages because I feel like I'm constantly getting in my own way creativity-wise, because I'm just too much of a stress case. So I kind of want to do that and really allow myself to be more creative, which sounds so silly, but I feel like I have a constant mind block. I bought the book on my Kobo, so I'm gonna get into reading that because I want to start doing that. And then Pat and I were talking about doing 75 hard, which we already do a lot of the things on 75 hard, or a lot of what people do, but we're thinking that if we do that, it'd be a great way to implement other things, like not being on our phones for the first hour in the morning, which would work well with morning pages because I don't think you're allowed to, you're just supposed to get up and start writing basically, and then not be on your phone half an hour before bed, which I usually always do anyway, but stuff like that. Anyways, that's my morning ramble. June 1st. It's crazy. 3 appointments today. The first one being a mystery mani, the second one being a removal, the third one being a tier 2. I haven't been talking too much as of late because I've just been forgetting. Also, someone commented on one of my videos yesterday saying that everything's been very shaky lately. So this is me trying to be more stable. I get a new tripod. I think it's mainly when I'm filming on my desk. My desk wiggles a lot. I feel like the floor is not level, which I feel like my floors are never level. So that's an issue. Anyways, I'm gonna look at a new tripod. I'm so out of the groove of vlogging. I totally forgot. I don't know why. My mind is elsewhere. Anyways, just went and got a sandwich from next door. Just ate it. It was good. Not as good as the first time I had it though. Maybe I was hungrier then. I have an apple also, but I think I'll save that for if I want it after my next client. So next I have my removal. She should be here in about 25 minutes. Sometimes she shows up early, so I should probably get ready. And then after that I have my tier 2 appointment. And then it's the weekend. Hello, happy Wednesday. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I bumped my week. So I'm not taking clients on Tuesdays now. So I have a 4-day work week. And this specifically is to spend Tuesday still working, more of an admin day, but primarily to do content, to do video editing. So I plan to get at least 1 video edited every Tuesday in order for a Friday upload, more if I can. And then also when I get new products that I want to shoot content with, or when I'm doing the Sweetie Brand Ambassador content, which I do have required posts that I have to do each month, I can film that on Tuesday and get that all sorted out. So that just means more stuff for you guys, which is great. But I am here today, it's just before 10:30. I have 2 appointments today, both like 3D orchid vibes, which is fun. So I'm gonna just get set up for that, do a little vacuum because there are some charms on the floor, and get this show on the road. I just finished 9 hours of painting nails with only a 20-minute break to eat some snacks. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I was already so exhausted this morning, but I only slept a few hours last night. But yeah, I'm just putting my tools down, then I'm gonna head home. Pat's gonna make me dinner. Thank God for him. Living for the AC. It is so humid out, it's disgusting. It's not even like hot, it's just humid, so I'm sweating my ass off.
You're gonna turn on the AC from home though?
Yeah, that's the best thing about having a smart AC. My mom gave me this AC. She had no idea that that was a feature. You can turn it on from home, so I turned it on at like 6:30 this morning. Okay, so Aritzia had this window display with these dogs, and they were changing the display and started selling the dogs. So I got one. Oh, Pat's decapitated it. Ah, look how fucking cute that is. Okay, body reveal. It looks like it should be like a cookie jar or something.
Yeah, seriously.
It's so cute.
Here's the time.
Oh my god. So from Aritzia's window to my studio, naturally I had to have it because, I mean, you guys know what I do decoration-wise in here. So yeah, I'm excited to have her. We have to name her. I have to figure out where she's gonna go. Pat just suggested up there, which I think would look cute.
Let's try to see what it looks like.
Okay. Yeah, be careful.
Maybe it's too high.
Oh,
Take a step back.
I don't know, that's pretty cute. Just a little perched up there.
Or you can do it like down here.
True.
On this little table when you walk in here.
By the door.
Oh, whoops. Yeah, like up here.
Yeah, true. Okay, well, we'll leave her up there for now and we'll figure it out. Let's go get a coffee in the meantime. I'm doing a mystery mini this morning, and I need to make airbrush stencils, but I also want to test it out first before I do it on my client. So that's why I'm here a bit earlier. Not that you know that I'm here earlier. I am here a bit early to sort that out. So I'm just gonna set up my Cricut. I have about 50 minutes until my client arrives. Also, my mom brought me new batteries yesterday for my kitty cat clock. So she is finally mounted and she's finally working for the first time ever. How cute. Just finished my mystery mani. and my client bought me cookies, which I went to this coffee shop this morning and I was looking at that one and was like, oh my God, should I buy this cookie? And then I was like, no, I don't need to buy a cookie. And she brought me the cookie. Anyway, so I'm gonna get cleaned up. I have a client coming in for a repair in about an hour. And then I have one more appointment after that, which I have to finish drawing up the set for. I saw she messaged me, so I just want to let her know that her drawing is coming very shortly. I just need to draw up like one more nail. I feel like it's my birthday. My client that I just did the fix on, Justine, just brought me this little Cupid pin that she made. It's a little, that kind of pin. So cute. I know she's selling these and selling similar products. Handmade ceramic pin. Check her out.
사실은
God, it's crazy what getting a good night's sleep does for you. I feel, I just finished, it's 8:17. I've been here since 9 a.m. I feel like I have so much energy, like I keep going. Unlike yesterday, where I was like seconds away from dropping dead at my nail desk from sheer exhaustion. Feeling much more alive today. So I'm just gonna quickly tidy up and then I'm gonna head home. My client and I were just talking about pizza, so naturally, even though I had it last night, it's what I want for dinner. I don't think that's gonna happen though, because we had a gluten-free and lactose-free pizza last night, because our lives are exciting and our dietary limits are even more exciting. And that was our one pizza in the freezer. So I'm guessing we'll probably have chicken and broccoli, which I'm not hating on. I love them both. big broccoli fan here, but I want something gross right now because I was talking about greasy Pizza Hut. Hello. It is Saturday, final day of the week, but not technically because I'm coming in tomorrow to do Vanessa's nails. But I have 3 appointments today. I actually just finished my first one. It was just a removal. And then I have, I believe, 2 more tier 2 appointments for the rest of the day. Yes. The last one I'm quite excited about. I printed out some nail stickers on my nail pot printer. We're doing Pride nails, but like not on the nose Pride. We're doing JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Pride nails, if you're familiar. I was not until now, but anyways, I finished my last appointment early, so I think I might have a snack, maybe play my Game Boy, maybe design my set for Vanessa for tomorrow, but we shall see. And my hair is up like I'm a little Tumblr girly. Actually, let me show you my outfit. I feel very Tumblr. I would have reposted me when I was like 14, but I just got my little Miu Miu ballet flats resold, and the guy definitely like really like cleaned them because they look brand new, even though when I bought them secondhand, but they were in really good condition anyhow. I have my little Stussy shorts on, a little random button down shirt I found in the cupboard, and a little Stussy vest sweater. That's why I look like a teacher. Not wrong.